Spring break is here. The kids are going to be home, and you want to keep them busy, and you just don't want to do video games and Netflix. So we got some cool, creative stuff. Jason O'Neill's back here with me. We're going to be making dancing milk.
That's right, dancing milk.
What is that?
Well, it's about mixing food coloring and milk. So what kind of milk do you like?
All of it?
Okay, perfect. Well, you're going to be working
cheese.
Okay, you're going to be working with the whole milk there. So go ahead and grab a few of the food colorings there. Just grab 2 drops, 3 drops of each in there.
There you go.
We'll mix these up real nice. Again, just dump them all in the middle if you can.
Okay.
Yeah, just mix them in the middle. That's part of the exercise here.
It looks cool.
Yeah, so what we're doing is we're actually trying to have as much food coloring as possible in there. And then what we will do is we will play with the surface tension of the milk, because what is milk, right? What's the majority of it?
Water.
Yeah, so we're going to try to get this chemical reaction going where we can separate the fats and proteins from the water. So go ahead and take this dishwashing liquid on the end of that, and on the count of 3, we'll go ahead and dip that. Are you ready?
Okay, ready.
1, 2, 3. And look what happens to our milk.
Wow.
Yeah. So it creates these really elaborate patterns, and again, it's just about separating the water from the milk, fat, and proteins. Now watch what happens when we come down here. So you had whole milk, this was skim milk, but watch what happens when we use that almond milk. Whole nother different pattern, because again, it's all different levels of fats and proteins that are mixed in there with it.
It was almost like radial. It was like a circle compared to these ones.
Yeah, so again, playing with that tension. And now we also have this lava lamp. Again, these are all things that you'll have in your house.
Yeah.
Go ahead and pour this into here. Yes, that is the vegetable oil in with a food coloring and water. Notice it's going to start separating. Go ahead and drop in 1 of those or 2 of those Alka-Seltzers.
Yeah. Heartburn, huh?
Yeah, so it's going to release the carbon dioxide. It's going to start letting that bubble, that gas bubble up to the top. Create a really cool lava lamp. You put a flashlight on that.
Put on some Jimi Hendrix.
There you go. Groovy, right? Far out.
Very neat.
And again, these are all things that you can do at home.
Yeah.
We also have lots of things that are going on down at the Science Center as well. So we have our Camp Innovation. If you want to drop your young ones off with us, they'll be doing medieval madness, kind of like a March Madness.
Yeah.
They'll be talking about engineering, catapults, jousting of balloons, civil engineering, structural, mechanical, lots of fun things.
Having fun and learning.
Yes,
perfect. That's what we like to hear.
Yes.
You guys have tons of information on the website. Head over to the Arizona Science Center downtown or their website to learn all about it.